Welcome to your Canva account. So when you log into your Canva account, it's going to look something like this, and below here is my recent projects. You're going to go into your Canva account's brand kit and begin uploading your brand files, colors, and fonts. Make sure you have licenses for these fonts. You'll need to have the Canva Pro account to do this, but if you don't, you can still upload them in the general upload section. So once you log into Canva, you're going to come over to the sidebar and click on Brand Kit. And as you can see, I already have my existing brand logos, my brand colors, and my brand fonts. Text styles and uploaded fonts can be found here. To add a new brand kit, you're just going to come over here and click Add Brand Kit. So I'm going to add one for Canva Creatives. When you upload the logos, it will populate some color options for you. And I am going to go with this one and then remove these two. Yep. And I'm just going to rename this to And the brand fonts, I won't set them now, I will set them at a later time. Once you have uploaded your brand logos, brand colors, and fonts, you've laid the foundation for a swift and easy design process within Canva going forward. Now you can go ahead and get started on designing your graphics. If you're new to Canva, I would recommend you start small and don't overwhelm yourself. And if you're a designer, you can offer a Canva setup process for your clients as well. From here, we're going to talk about Canva elements. So I'm just going to create a custom file size. And Canva houses tons of design elements for you to add a little extra something to your designs. You can search thousands of graphic elements, templates, photos, lines and shapes, videos, and so much more. You will go into the Elements tab to find all of your elements. If you're looking for photos, let's say you're looking for a photo in beauty, for example. You'll select beauty. You can also search for photos with a particular color. So if you have a certain brand color, you can search for photos that way. So I'm just going to select the gray, and it will give me all gray tone beauty photos. You can go a little further and search for cut out photos, and it will just give you a cut out photo like that. The same works for graphics. So as you can see, it has beauty, and you can search for a particular color, static or animated. You can also select free or pro, depends on what version of Canva you have.